Good morning, YouTube. Good afternoon. I'm going to be restoring these headlights with the Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit. Start out with water. You want to put a lot of water on it. And you're going to start with the 800. You're going to sand it real good, wipe it off, spray water again, and then 1500. Wipe it off. Then for the finishing one, the 3000, do not use water. You only just sand it down real good, and then you're gonna, after that, we'll get to the buffing pad. Let's get started. And it's gonna sling this stuff everywhere. That's okay. And I'll probably edit this video a pretty good bit, because I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch me sand plastic over and over. But I appreciate y'all watching. And for those who have subscribed, thank you. It means a lot. And I really do these videos to hopefully help somebody out who's doing it for the first time, or just wants to see before they buy what they're getting. And I would just like to pass it along to other people out there who also like to put their hands on and get things done and try to save some money. Right, I did the front, now I'm just doing these edges. On this road, these edges are pretty tough, but we'll get it done. And I tape the edges off so you don't scratch your paint in any way. But if you're careful, you shouldn't scratch your paint. Put some more water on it. This rag, wipe it off. Yeah, it's gonna look filmy again. It's still gonna look gray or clear, not clear yet. You just got all the oxidation off of it. Now you're gonna go to the next step. Take that off. The 800, take the 800 off. We'll go to 1500 now. That wasn't good. Okay. Doing the same thing, just taking another layer, making it smoother. And if you find my videos helpful in any way, please comment, subscribe, like. This is a small channel trying to grow. Now I'm gonna wipe that off. Wipe this off here. And then this is the part where you don't use water. You want it dry. And look, while you're wiping it off, just look and see if you miss any places. It don't look like I have. Okay. I'm stepping back and I'm looking at it. Looks good, so we'll go with the finishing one. Take off the 1500, put on the 3000. Remember, you do it dry. You don't put any water on it. And you're just gonna sand it all completely again, smoothing it out. If you see a spot during this part that you might have missed, you can always go back. Just start over again. Start over with what was 800 and then 1500, and then just go all the way back to the finish. 3000. I'm gonna wipe it off again. That looks a lot better to me. Now let's polish it. Take off the 3000. This says this can do up to 4. I don't think it'll do 4. I think it'll do 2, and as you get 2 sets. Get your polishing. Just put some on there. And what I do is I smush it on the light. Try not to get all this slinging everywhere. So I just do that right there. And then you just start buffing. This is where you really see how clear these headlights come out. And I use a lot of polish. Do not shy away from it. Please like and subscribe. That looks good to me. All clear. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe again. Videos in the future.